Good morning children. Welcome to math class. Children, today we will discuss about chapter 10, ratio and proportion. So in this chapter children, we will discuss about ratio and proportion. So first of all we discuss about ratio. Okay. Let's see some examples. Then you will clear. In our day-to-day life, we often compare one quantity with another quantity of same kind by using the method of subtraction. For example, Sarita is 152 cm tall and Sikha is 168 cm tall. Then what is the difference in their heights and who is the taller of the two? So here what we will do? Here just we subtract. Then we get our answer. Thus we say Sikha is 16 cm taller than Sarita. We also sometimes use division to compare quantities. For example, we can compare weights using divisions. For example, Sarita weighs 48 kg and Sikha weighs 54 kg. Let us compare their weights. So here just we compare through division. If we divide, then we get the comparison. Okay. So when we compare two similar quantities by division, the comparison is called the ratio. Now you get what is ratio? Okay. It is denoted by is-to. This is known as is-to symbol like this. Okay. So what is ratio children? When we compare two similar quantities by division, the comparison is called the ratio and it is denoted as is-to. Okay. Then example 5/8 equal to 5:8. As shown in the above example, a ratio is like a fraction where the numerator and the denominator are separated by a colon. The first term is called antecedent and the second term is called consequent. Antecedent means before and consequent means after, means follows. For example, 5:8. Here 5 is antecedent and 8 is consequent. You remember. Then properties of ratios. What are the properties? One number, a ratio is usually expressed in its simplest form, means 15/75. The simplest form of this fraction is 1:5 or 1/5. Then two number, before finding a ratio of two quantities, make sure that both have the same unit. However, the ratio in itself will have no unit. Okay. So here children, you see 600 gram and 3 kg. Units are different, so we have to convert same unit. So 3 kg means 3000 gram. Then we compare. Then 3 number, the order of the quantities of a ratio is very important. Means 7:19 is different from 19:7. Their values are not equal. Then equivalent ratios. Just as in case of a fraction, if we multiply or divide the antecedent and consequent of a ratio by the same number, we get an equivalent ratio. For example, children, you see the ratio 7:8. If we multiply 7 and 8 by the same number, say 4, we get the ratio how much? 28/32. Okay. If we convert this 28/32 into simplest form, then we get 7:8. Okay. Then here divide by same number. If we divide same number or if we multiply same number, then we get the equivalent ratios. Okay. Then comparison of ratios. How we compare. Like fraction, children. Just you remember that fraction, how you compare the fractions. Here also same. To compare two ratios, we have to follow these steps. Okay. One number, convert each ratio into a fraction in its simplest form. Two number, find the LCM of the denominators of the fractions obtained in step 1. Then convert the denominators equal to the LCM obtained in step 2 in each fraction. Then now compare the numerators of the fractions. The fractions with the greater numerator is greater. Okay, these 4 rules we have to follow when we compare ratios. Let's see example. Now you see, compare the ratio 3:4 and 5:7. So first of all, children, you write these ratios in fraction mode, means 3/4 and 5/7 you write. Then you multiply by how much? First you find out the LCM. Okay, the LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. So you multiply the same number in both numerator and denominator. Then you get how much? In first fraction you get 21/28. Then second one is 20/28. Now denominators are same, so easily you can find out which one is greater one. So 21/28 is greater, means 3/4 is greater than 5/7. Like this, children, you compare. Then example 2, express the ratios 120 is to 225 in its simplest form. Very easy, you divide, then you get your answer. Example 3, write the following ratios in descending order. Descending order means, children, first you have to convert all the fractions or all the ratios into equivalent ratios or equivalent fractions. Then you can compare. So first of all, you find out the LCM, then convert to equivalent fraction, then compare. Same procedure as fractions. Then example 4. Mr. Kamal divides a sum of 3,672 rupees between his two sons in the ratio of 4:5. Then how much money does each son get? Okay, so total money is, children, how much? 3,672. And he had to divide between his two sons, that is 4:5. Let 4 means 4x and 5 means 5x, two sons. So total is 9x. Then we get x. Then first son share is, children, 4x means 4 multiply 408. Then second son means 5x, 5 multiply 408. Like this, children, we solve. Then example 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5 and their sum is 96. Find the number. 3:5 means, children, you put 3x and 5x. Then you add, then you get your answer. Example 6. In a box, there are 240 pencils. Out of these, 60 are red and the rest are blue. Find the ratio. And also questions asking 3 questions A, B, C. Blue pencils to the total number of pencils, red pencils to the total number of pencils, then red pencil to blue pencils. So first of all, children, you have to find out the number of blue pencils. Total pencils is given and red pencils is given. So if you subtract, then you get the answer. Then you compare the ratio of blue pencils to the total number, means 180 by 240. Then red pencil with total number, then red pencils with blue pencils you compare. Clear all examples? Now you see exercise 10.1. Express the following ratios as fractions and reduce them to their simplest form. Very easy. First of all, you write in fraction mode, then you do what? Then you do simplest form. One number A, already I had done, just you follow the other bits. Two number, write the following as ratios in their simplest forms. Simplest forms means, children, same, just you write down in fraction mode, then you do simplest form. Children, here you observe, here minute is given and second is given. Units are different. So what you do? Just convert minute to second, means 8 minute. Just you multiply 60. Then you get 480 second. Then you write fraction mode. Then you get your answer. Simplest mode. Okay. Then 3 number. Simplify the following ratios. 35 paisa is to 1 rupees. Here rupees means, children, 100 paisa. So 35 is to 100. Like this you complete 3 number. Okay. Then 4 number, compare the following ratios. Children, you follow example 1. How you compare means, first of all you write down in fraction mode, then you find out LCM, their denominators, then you compare. 5 number, children, write the following ratios in ascending order. Here also same, just you follow example 3. First you convert equivalent fraction, then you compare. 6 number, children, divide 450 rupees into 2 parts such that the ratio of the parts is 7:8. Here, children, solution you see. Let 2 parts, that is 7x and 8x. 7x plus 8x equal to 450 rupees. Okay. Then 15x equal to this much. X equal to, we divide, then we get 30 rupees. So x equal to, children, 30 rupees. But we have to find out 7x and 8x. 7x means we multiply with 7 and here multiply with 8. So we get 210 rupees and 240 rupees. These are the answers. Clear? Then come to 7 number. The ratio of the number of boys and the number of girls in a class is 5:9. Find the number of girls if the total number of students in the class is 56. So children, here total number of students given, boys number given, but we have to find out the girls number. Here, children, you write like this. Okay. The ratio is 5:9, means boys number 5x and girls number 9x. Total is this much. 5x plus 9x equal to 56. From this equation, we find out x equal to 4. Then, children, girls number. Questions is asking you girls number. Means 9x equal to 4 multiply 9, that is 36 is your answer. Clear? Then comes to 8 number. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 2:3:4. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. Children, you know the sum of the angles of the triangle is 360 degree or 180 degree. Which one is correct? Yes, 180 degree is correct. So we put that one in this problem. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 2:3:4. Let the angles are 2x, 3x and 4x. We know that, children, the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to 180 degree and we get x equal to 20 degree. Then we have to find out the angles, means 2x how much, 3x how much, 4x how much. So 2x is 40 degree, 3x is 60 degree and 4x is 80 degree. We get our answers and we get our angles. Okay, then comes to 9 number. Up to 9 number you have to do. 10, 11, 12 not necessary. Okay, 9 number, children, you see two numbers are in the ratio of 3:8 of if their sum is 330. Find the numbers. Very easy. Ratios is given, so we take the numbers 3x and 8x. Okay. Then we add that 2, 3x and 8x. Then we find out the x value. Then we put that 30 in 3x and 8x. We get the answer. So children, up to 9 number you complete the exercise in your copy. Okay. So do it. Homework. This one is your homework. Before you start this exercise, you follow all the examples properly. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.